Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. Today, I have an exciting topic to share with you all. We're going to talk about online translation jobs and how you can land some incredible freelance opportunities with cutting-edge translation services. If you're a freelance linguist and want to know how you can get involved with cutting-edge translation services, head over to their website and click on the Careers tab. This is where you'll find all the details and procedures to apply for online translation jobs. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.